Good morning, Professor. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves a mandate to develop and empower teens to be confident and to know their identity using Youth Explosion 2011 as your vehicle. The theme is CIA, Mission Impossible. You may select your team members, but it is essential that the message you convey to the teens is that there are no impossibilities with God. You have 48 hours to recruit the Phoenix. Her ability to rise triumphant from the ashes makes her perfect for the mission.
CIA.
The brain. Her ability as a master producer and business administrator makes her a must-have.
CIA.
Ushering in the anointing through praise and worship makes him an integral part of the team.
CIA.
Precision. His attention to detail and his ability to coach and encourage are a necessity in this mission.
CIA.
The arranger, and her ability to plan and her much-needed skill in the art of negotiation makes her a perfect addition to your team.
CIA.
And Mystique's ability to assimilate and morph into whatever job description is needed will make her indispensable.
CIA.
CIA Mission Impossible. Your team is built around the skills of the individual members. Remember, no matter how good each member of the squad is, every mission comes down to one thing: how well they work together. Because in the end, you don't need a hero to succeed in the field. You need a team. It is essential that your team convey the message to the teens that there are no impossibilities with God.